Okay, this project is called the Waiter Robot, and it will take place in restaurants. Basically, the idea is that we're doing a waiter robot that brings food that is requested by customers to their tables and returns to the kitchen to get more food. Why will people want this robot? Well, our first point is that it calls for cheap waiters. The idea of innovations will also help to attract more customers to the restaurant. Although there is a relatively high investment, the robot will pay off during the time it will be used. That's because it doesn't require monthly payments, it cannot be hurt with the dishes. Moreover, it has a guarantee that in case that it starts not working, it will get arranged, so the owner can be at ease. This robot starts with basic function, but it attracts attention from customers. Another advantage is that with time, this robot will be in constant evolution, so the owner can always have the cutting-edge technology to still be considered as an innovative restaurant. Well, the next question is, have there been any other robots doing this task? The answer is yes. Well, we have a lot of patents. One of them is self-service restaurant. This patent has a problem where it cannot handle many orders because it starts malfunctioning when it has 2 or more destinations at the same time. Another patent is the robotic waiter. It communicates with the restaurant system and can take the orders without people intervention. Chinese robots also have a limitation in weight and can take special orders. We also have a Pakistan robot where it is implemented in a pizzeria and it caused a boom in the customers. The customers start going there because of the news. We also investigate patents about automated vehicles that we can use it as a base. And what will our robot do? Well, our robot have a specific task. It brings an order from the kitchen to a specific place, to a designated table. It returns to the kitchen. The order will have a restriction to transport only solid food or canned drinks. This automatic waiter will avoid colliding with people. It will not change its route, but it will stop and wait for it to be free. For this, we're considering using a line follower, a controlled environment, the way to input the instructions to the robot. We also consider that it cannot load and unload the food by itself, so it will need the help of people. It will also have an attractive design so that people can be interested in this robot and don't see it as something weird. The waiter can transport liquid food as soup only if they have a cap. And when it is stopped by some obstacle, we can insert there a sound to indicate that the robot is waiting, like a klaxon or maybe a funny dialogue to make the person move. For all this, we will use an eddy robot. We will also use LabVIEW and maybe cameras will be used too. It will have defined routes, and that's basically our project. Thank you very much.